Adding a personal access door to your shared project is very simple. You could use your keyboard shortcut and just press DR, and Shedmate will automatically understand that you're trying to add a PA door, and you can see that the mouse cursor changes a little bit. So I'll just press escape, and if I just press DR, then it just shows, hey, where you want to add your PA door. And by default, it adds to the middle of the bay. So if I click anywhere here, it's gonna add the PA door to the middle of the bay. And I can just zoom in here and see a little of the options we have for the personal access doors. Another way to access the same interface is just going on the top here to add things, and then we can go on walls, and then we have here personal access door, and then I can click on that and just click here. So you have the keyboard shortcut, or you can just do that directly on the user interface. By clicking on any of these doors, I have a few options. One of them is obviously the width of my PA door. I could just use this selector to increase it as I want, and depending on your company settings, instead of having this flexibility, you might just have one option like 820, or you might have a range of options depending on your suppliers, on what kind of PA doors you manufacture, if you do them, if you have a workshop. So this varies from company to company, but here is just a sample of how you can actually modify the width. So I guess this is pretty straightforward. The other option we have is the height, so you can just manipulate the height of your PA door from here. And then the last one is the bay offset. So because I have here 5 meters, my door is actually on the middle of the bay. So if my bay offset here is 2.5, it's actually gonna put my door to the other side. And then you can just manipulate this to play where you want your door to be, and you have the ability to flip it. So as we can see here, I have a little handle, and I can click on it and just flip to one side or the other, and this is gonna change how the door opens. We have also the ability to change the colors directly from here. We have seen this in previous videos if we're following this sequence of learning materials. And then you can hide the door, and that's just temporarily, so you can see from inside how your shed's gonna look like, or just show all of the doors, and then you can delete the door. So that's pretty much all of the options for PA doors. They're very simple, and then the best way to practice them is just actually adding a few PA doors around your project, and then you're gonna have a good feeling of it. Advanced tip, once again, just use DR, so that means door, and then you can add your PA door automatically to the project. Click on it and change the bay offset. You can put negative or positive here. If I put just negative, it's going to that side. If I put a positive, it's going to the other side. Oops, sorry, just put, and there we go. That's it. This is PA doors.